Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay Ross, about to give you the tea and the swatches on this Makeup Revolution Revolholic edit case that I purchased a while back. And let's just go ahead and dive right into the first palette, and that is the Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette. You are getting 32 gorgeous shades, and I just wanted to let you guys know it is a mixture of matte and shimmer, so don't be afraid to buy this palette. Let's just go ahead and get started with the first row. Alright, so there you guys have it, the first row. The only shade in this row that is matte is going to be the first one, which is Statement. All the other ones are shimmer. Alright, so there you guys have the second row. This row is giving you all the mattes you could use. Didn't need to build a blush, but I did. Wish I did now that I look back at it. And so by now you guys can definitely tell how I do swatches. If I stop to do a shade individually, it must mean because I have a note about it. But other than that, you're just going to see me hop straight into a full row of shades. So there you guys have it. That is row 3, another row of mattes. So what I want to tell you guys about these two shades, one has pink undertones and reflexes, the other one has purple, as you guys can tell, but both beautiful maroon burgundy shades. Alright, so there you guys have the final row and the last row of shimmers and this gorgeous Flawless 4 palette. So let's go ahead and get into the next palette, and that is going to be the Flawless Unlimited palette. Also giving you 32 eyeshadow shades, another mixture of matte and shimmers. Both palettes do have a creamy formula for the eyeshadows, and let's just go ahead and get into the first row. And I am starting off with a clean wrist, so you don't think I was cheating and mixing shades. So there you guys have that, the first row from the Flawless Unlimited palette. This is giving you all mattes. So there you guys have it, that is row number 2, and that is an all shimmer shade row. As you guys can tell, this shade was definitely giving me a little bit of trouble. It's there, definitely a soft shimmer shade, but you can definitely tell it's there. And there you go with the third row of shades, which is a mixture of shimmers and matte. So that's why I put an S or an M next to those. So there's the last row of the Flawless Unlimited palette. The only shadow in this that is shimmer is Dependable. So there you go with the Flawless Unlimited palette. Let's move right along to the special edition #Revolholic Limited palette. It contains eyeshadows as well as baked highlighters, giving you gorgeous all shimmers, all glow basically what you need to be glammed up. And let's just go ahead and get straight into the eyeshadows. None of these shades have names, so I'm just going to put an arrow next to which shade I'm using. Alright, so there we have it for the eyeshadows of the Revolaholic Limited palette. Gorgeous shades, and let's just go ahead and get straight into the base highlighters, which are gorgeous shades as well. This shade is giving more of a bluish hue, the other shade is giving you more of a silveryish. That purple shade, I'm really in love with it because it is a pearl shade in the pan, and then when I swatched it, I was so amazed. It looks amazing. It reminds me of that Laura Geller highlighter that I tried, and like, oh my gosh, I freaking love it. So there you guys have it. That is the Revolaholic Limited palette. Let's just go ahead and get to more highlights, which is we're going to go into the Ultra Pro Glow palette. This is going to give you 8 gorgeous highlighting shades. So in the Ultra Pro Glow palette, the ones that you can buy anywhere else, they are the same shades that I am showing you now, but they're not in the same order. So that's why you're just seeing an individual pan of the color instead of a row of the color like I've been doing for the whole video, because the shades aren't in the order that I have them. Alright, so there you have the Ultra Pro Glow palette, and let's just go ahead and get straight into the Celestial Blush palette. Love this outer space galaxy look, and I just love the colors. Definitely a gorgeous baked blush palette for sure. So there you guys have it. That is the Celestial Blush palette. Definitely a blush palette that I could see being used as highlighter and blushes, or you could just use it as a blush alone because they do kind of give you that highlighting vibe. So there you guys go with that palette. And let's just go ahead and get into the last but not least item that needs to be swatched. Rose Gold Kiss Highlighting Compact. If you lightly apply it, you still get a gorgeous glow, and then if you build it up even more, you get a heavier glow, but definitely something I would not mind purchasing if they didn't give it to me. Definitely a gorgeous shade. Alright, so there you guys have it. That is the Makeup Revolution Revolaholic Edit case. I hope you guys really enjoyed the swatches. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave those down below. There is definitely a look coming for this, so be watchful of that, and I will definitely catch you guys in my next one. Peace.